At AAI Security Systems, we are experts in the design, installation and maintenance of fire alarms and smoke detector systems. Our highly experienced team of engineers can install the latest state-of-the-art equipment to help keep you safe. As BAFE and NSI approved, we understand the importance of an efficient fire alarm system, allowing you to receive an early warning that could just help save your life in the event of a fire. AAI Security Systems supplies and installs sophisticated and comprehensive fire alarms, smoke detection systems and emergency lighting. Our clients own both domestic properties and large commercial organisations. Our team of experienced engineers install open protocol systems comprising the most technologically advanced products from many leading manufacturers.